The last time I did Himalayas on a motorcycle was 81, I think, or 81 or 80, I'm not so sure. So, 40 or 41 years later, I'm back on the motorcycle in Himalayas. And well, at that time, motorcycle was weak, a 250cc Czechoslovakian bike. It was wonderful for those days, but it's not the same as what we're riding today. Today we're riding 1100cc super competent motorcycle. But at that time, motorcycle was weak, but I was strong, young and strong. Today motorcycle is strong and I'm old, at least people think so.